Hey everyone, welcome back to our how-to video series for Snoooz. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your own data sources to improve AI-generated responses. Whether it's an FAQ document, customer support resources, or business-specific guidelines, let's dive in. To upload your own data sources, go to the left-hand menu, scroll down, and click on Data Sources. This section allows you to manage and integrate external data to enhance the AI's responses. If you have an FAQ document or a sales one-pager that you want the AI to use, you can upload it directly. Click on the Import Data button and choose a PDF option. Now click on Upload File, choose a document you want to add, click Confirm Upload to process the file. Once this is done, you can now see the file uploaded. The same thing can be done when adding an FAQ. You can again go back to the Import Data section, click on FAQ, and add whatever is relevant to you or your business. For example, I would put, what is Snoooz? Add my answer, then click Add FAQ. You can now see the FAQ uploaded. It's that easy. This is perfect for when you have an FAQ file with common customer questions. Adding those in Snoooz will ensure that the AI will reference the data when generating responses. In addition to uploading files, Snoooz allows you to import support articles from popular knowledge-based tools such as Intercom and Zendesk. For this, click Integration under the Data Source section. Click on Global. Select the platform you want to connect to. For this example, I will be connecting to Intercom. Now follow the prompts to authenticate and sync your data. Once this is done, you can go back into the data source section, click on Import Data, and choose Intercom. Proceed. Now you're all set with your Intercom connected. Snoooz will now import all the knowledge-based articles and use them to train the AI with the goal to improve automated replies, making them more relevant to your customers. Once your data sources are uploaded or integrated, you can manage them under the Data Sources tab, as you can see right here. Here you can remove outdated files, update FAQs, or disconnect integration if needed. If you update your FAQ file with new company policies, you can re-upload the latest versions, ensuring that the AI always references the most current information. To verify that your data is being used in response generation, you can go to the Rules section on the left-hand side of the menu. Click on Test. Here you can run a few tests to see the quality of the AI-generated replies. Before you start the test, you want to make sure that the rules is set to use AI. To do this, go back to the Design section, click on Edit under Respond, scroll down, and turn on the Using AI toggle. Then click on Update Rule. Now you can go back to the Test section. And for this example, since I already added an FAQ for Snoooz, I can now go ahead and see if it will respond correctly by just adding the question and then clicking Test. You can now see on the right side the AI generated response tailored to how my FAQ was put. This can be done for any of the data you input into Snoooz. If the AI references your data correctly, you're all set. If not, double check that your file is properly formatted and upload again. You can also check out our how to test rules video for more information. And that's all. You now know how to upload your own data sources into Snoooz to make AI generated responses more accurate and relevant. If you use a different data source and want Snoooz to build an integration for it, feel free to make a feature request by clicking a suggested feature button on the top right hand corner of the page. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. For more tips and support, visit our help center at help.snoooz.ai. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.